Freedom flow forever. Rise up strong. Freedom flow forever. Hear the song. No chains can bind. No lies belong. Freedom flow forever. All night long. Rivers of love, they overflow. Mountains bow as the spirits grow. Under the moon, the truth will glow. Freedom is life, it's all we know. Freedom flow forever. Rise up strong. Freedom flow forever. Hear the song. No chains can bind. No lies belong. Freedom flow forever. All night long. All night long. The river runs where it wants to go. Under the sun it starts to glow. Freedom flowing like the ocean's roar. A rebel's heart knocking on the shore. Freedom flowing, can't hold it back. Rising higher, no time to slack. Oh, freedom, feel it in the breeze. Jah is guiding, setting us at ease. Chains can rust, but the soul stays clean. In the valley where the grass is green, mountains whisper the truth is near. Echoes of freedom, Jah makes it clear. Lift your hands, lift your mind, let the spirit realign. Freedom flowing, can't hold it back. Rising higher, no time to slack. Oh, freedom, feel it in the breeze. Jah is guiding, setting us at ease. winds hum their song of old. Fields of green with stories told. Clouds drift slow like the dreams embrace. The rhythm of the earth is the human race. Feel it rising in the air. Freedom's fire everywhere. Feel it in the earth, it's calling me. Freedom in the wind sets me free. Freedom in the soil, in the sky, in the sea. Freedom in the earth, where we're meant to be. Let the rhythm guide your feet, where the ground and spirit meet. Dance with the heartbeat of the land. Feel the strength in every grain of sand. Let the rhythm guide your feet, where the ground and spirit meet. Dance with the heartbeat of the land. Feel the strength in every grain of sand. Golden sun, kiss the morning dew. Roots grow deep where the sky stays true. No chains on me, no weight to bear. I breathe the wind, I own the air. Freedom, life flow, let it rise, let it glow. Freedom, light flow, in my heart I know. Oh, freedom, light flow. Oh, freedom, light flow. Drums speak truth where the rivers run wide. Every beat a story, every note a guide. The earth hums low beneath my feet. A rhythm of life, raw and sweet. Freedom, light flow, let it rise, let it glow. Freedom, light flow, in my heart I know. Oh, freedom, light flow. Oh, freedom, light flow. Fire burn, but it purifies. Ash to ground where the phoenix flies. We hold the power, we hold the key. Unlock the chains and set us free. Freedom light flow, let it rise, let it glow. Freedom light flow in my heart, I know. Oh, freedom light flow. Oh, freedom light flow. The sun, it rises, but my heart feels low. Chains on my spirit, nowhere to go. The wind, it whispers secrets I should know, but still I walk slow. Still I walk slow. Freedom, freedom, just song it plays, lifting my soul through cloudy days. Freedom, freedom, the fire it stays, burning my heart through Babylon's haze. Mountains crumble, rivers they run wide, but these walls of Babylon, they won't subside. The earth, she groans, the trees, they cry. Still Jah is with me, he's my guide. Freedom, freedom, just song it plays, lifting my soul through cloudy days. Freedom, freedom, the fire it stays, burning my heart through Babylon's haze. Oh, can you hear it? The rhythm of life, cut through the darkness, sharper than a knife. Drums like thunder, truth like rain, wash away sorrow, heal the pain. Freedom, freedom, just song it plays, lifting my soul through cloudy days. Freedom, freedom, the fire it stays, burning my heart through Babylon's haze. Under the banyan country so wide. I hear the earth, she whispers, she confides. Roots dig deep where the rivers collide. Truth ain't hiding, no place to reside. Freedom of the roots, yeah, they grow through the stones and the soil. They know, they know. Freedom of the roots, rising slow, so slow, unstoppable life below. The sun beats down, golden fire in the air. The drums of the land, they echo everywhere. Leaves rustle like voices, ancient and rare. The roots don't ask, but they always care. Oh, the ground holds the key to the life that sets us free. Freedom of the roots, yeah, they grow through the stones and the soil. They know, they know. Freedom of the roots, rising slow, so slow, unstoppable life below. No chain can bind what the roots can find. No wall can block what the roots unlock. Through drought and flood, through fear and blood, they reach for love. They reach for love. Oh. Roots grow deep where the rivers bend. Earth to sky, no start, no end. Shadows dance in the fire's glow. Truth speaks loud where the winds don't blow. Freedom roots rising higher, higher through the smoke and through the fire. Freedom roots rising strong, strong. It's the heartbeat, it's the song. Freedom roots rising higher, higher through the smoke and through the fire. Freedom roots rising strong, strong. It's the heartbeat, it's the song. Drums like thunder in the mountains stare. Feet on soil, we'll do our best. The sun may set, but the fight won't fade. The seeds we plant and the truth we've made. Oh, rise up, no chains can hold us down. Freedom roots rising higher, higher through the smoke and through the fire. Freedom roots rising Lightning cracks, but it won't break the tree. Storms may howl, but the roots run free. Can you feel it? Feel it in your veins. A rebel spirit breaking chains. Oh, rise up, no chains can hold us down. Freedom roots rising higher, higher, through the smoke and through the fire. Freedom roots rising strong, strong. It's the heartbeat, it's the song. Freedom roots rising higher, higher, through the smoke and through the fire. Freedom roots rising strong, strong. It's the heartbeat, it's the song. Clouds roll heavy, but the sun peeks through. A golden light paints the morning new. The trees sway slow, like they already knew that freedom is overdue. Freedom sky flow, let the wind carry me. Freedom sky flow, over land and the sea. Freedom sky flow, like a bird soaring high. Freedom sky flow, under this endless sky. Raindrops fall, but they don't drown the day. Each drop a beat in nature's sway. The earth breathes deep, washing fears away. Freedom whispers, hear what it's got to say. No chain, no bind, just open air. No walls to climb, no burdens to bear. Freedom sky flow, let the wind carry me. Freedom sky flow, over land and the sea. Freedom sky flow, like a bird soaring high. Freedom sky flow, under this endless sky. Can you feel it? The rhythm in your chest, pulse of the world, a call to be your best. It's not a race, it's not a test. Just let it flow. Let your soul find a way. heart begins to glow. The earth it shakes, the roots run deep. A promise made, a vow to keep. Breathe it in, let the spirit guide. Feel the power, let it collide. Freedom through the smoke we see. Chains breaking, souls set free. Through the haze we find the key. Freedom through the smoke, let it be. The sun dips low but the fire's bright. Guided by the stars we walk the night. No chains can hold, no walls confine. Through the smoke, the world is mine. The sun wakes up slow on the mountain crest. A lion yawns wide, the earth takes a rest. Shadows stretch long, they whisper my name. I walk with the wind, it knows me the same. Oh, nature and the light, they guide my way through the dark of the night into brighter days. Oh, nature and the light, my heart obeys the rhythm of the earth, the eternal sway. The trees, they hum songs that I can't forget. Rivers carve paths where my soul is met. Leaves fall like notes in a symphony. Every root and branch holds a part of me. Do you feel the breeze? Do you hear the sound? The pulse of the world turning all around. Oh, nature and the light, they guide my way through the dark of the night into brighter days. Oh, nature and the light, my heart obeys the rhythm of the earth, the eternal sway.
Moon shines a truth that no man can buy. The ground beneath whispers, it holds the key to the song of life, to eternity.
The wind, it whispers low and sweet, dirt beneath my weary feet, sky so high. Can't reach the blue, leaves they dance, their steps are true. Nature bless my soul. Tune. Sunrise comes, it leaves too soon. Mountains watch with quiet pride. Trees they stand, no need to hide. Feel the earth, it's calling me. One love, one world, eternity. Nature bless my soul tonight under stars so bold, so bright. Roots run deep where stories go. Nature bless my soul. whispering trees hum in harmony. I feel the earth beneath my feet, so free. Nature blessing every day, guiding hearts along the way. Roots grow deep where we stay. Oh, Jah, hear us pray. Mountains rise and kiss the sky. Clouds drift slow, they don't ask why. A rhythm flows we can't deny. Nature blessing every day, guiding hearts along the way. Roots grow deep where we stay. Oh, Jah, hear us pray. The wind, it sings a sacred song. We've been here all along. The stars, they know where we belong. Nature blessing every day, guiding hearts along the way. Roots grow deep where we stay. Oh, Jah, hear us pray. Wind speaks secrets through the trees. Roots so deep they kiss the seas. Sunrise whispers, skies on fire. Earth and heavens both conspire. Nature fire, bless this land. Feel the heat, take my hand. Blessing comes where love expands. Nature fire, understand. River dances, twists and bends. Mountains hum where time suspends. Clouds like drums, they beat so high. Nature's song, it won't subside. free. Oh, can't you agree? The earth and the sky sing in harmony. The hills roll like waves, green and serene. A lizard darts through grasses, sharp and lean. Rain kisses the soil like a sweet tambourine. The dance of the world, simple and clean. Feel the pulse, feel the breeze. Life's a song, no guarantees. Nature flow free, let the rhythm be. Roots so deep in the ground we see. Nature flow free, oh can't you agree? The earth and the sky sing in harmony. When the night falls soft like a velvet sigh, the stars tell secrets to the moon up high. Listen close to the stories, don't let them die. The voice of the world, it will never lie. The sun drops slow on a golden tide. The earth she breathes while the trees confide. A whisper soft in the evening glow. Feel the rhythm deep where the rivers flow. Nature flow within my soul. Rock me steady, make me whole. Roots run deep where the wild winds spin. Feel the earth and let life begin. Mountains hum with a silent grace. The rain falls down in a cool embrace. The stars they blink like a drummer's beat. A cosmic dance where the sky and land meet. Nature flow within my soul. Rock me steady, make me whole. Roots run deep where the wild winds spin. Feel the earth and let life begin. gems, one ring at a time. The ocean roars like a lion's hymn, calling me back to the flow within. Nature flow within my soul, rock me steady, make me whole. Roots run deep where the wild winds swim. Feel the earth and let life begin. The sun creeps slow on the mountain's face, whispers of green in every place. Roots dig deep where the shadows play. A lion's heart wakes the day. Nature light rising, feel it in your soul. Warmth of the earth, making us whole. Nature light rising, truth untold. Let the fire burn, let the story unfold. Clouds drift soft like a river flows, each drop of rain a secret it knows. Birds take flight in an endless blue, their songs remind what is true. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat, Earth's heartbeat under your feet. Nature light rising, feel it in your soul. Warmth of the earth, making us whole. Nature light rising, truth untold. Let the fire burn, let the story unfold. Dance with the wind, sway with the trees, carry the whispers of the ocean breeze. Roots reggae flows like a timeless stream, chasing the dream, chasing the dream. The wind whispers low, secrets it knows. Mountains stand tall, never do they fall. River runs free, dancing to the sea. Oh, nature, rise, show your soul to me. Nature rising, flow, feel it grow. Sunshine warms the heart, let it show. Roots deep, deep in the ground, hear the sound. Oh, nature rise.
paint the skies, colors rhythmatize. Oh, nature eyes, open up mine. Through the roots and the rain, through the joy and the pain, nature rise in flow, feel it grow. Sunshine warms the heart, let it show. Roots deep in the ground, hear the sound. Oh, nature rise in flow, we're unbound. The birds they sing life's melody. The trees they breathe, setting us free. Nature eyes calling you and me. The river hums, it sings my name. Mountains whisper, they do the same. A breeze, it laughs, it's playing games. The earth is alive, can't be tamed. Oh, nature flow, flow like the tide. Oh, nature grow, grow deep and wide. It's the rhythm of life, it's the beat inside. Oh, nature flow, flow, don't you hide. Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Leaves tell secret stories old. Raindrops dance, they're never cold. In nature's arms I'm consoled. Roots run deep where love is sown. Heartbeats match the earth's own tone. Oh, nature flow, flow like the tide. Oh, nature grow, grow deep and wide. It's the rhythm of life, it's the beat inside. Oh, nature flow, flow, don't you hide. Stars they wink, they guide my way. Night turns soft, then births the day. never stay still. Mountains stand tall, yet they bow to the will of time and the tide of the soul's quiet thrill. Freedom's the seed we distill. Roots grow deep, deeper than pain. Every drop feeds the chain. Freedom dream flow, let it grow, let it grow. Feel the rhythm deep, let it show, let it show. Freedom dream flow, watch the fire glow. Let the spirit light, let the spirit know. No chains, no fences, no walls. Every heartbeat answers the call. Freedom's not a place, it's the sky when you fall and rise again. Rise again.